Okay. At first, you can find like this height. The distance from here and to here, the height is 170. Yes, this is focus. And another you can find this metal. The thickness is 1 millimeter. Then you can put on the focus. And next, you can see the focus from microscope. Yeah, it's clear. And next, you can take out of this cover. Take out this cover. Then, did you see this button? Did you see this button? Turn off the light of the microscope. Then you have to test the laser power. You can press the switch of foot switch, and you can see the light is not good. So we have to adjustment the focus of laser